Willkommen bei Schon. We are leading manufacturers in aluminium doors, partitions, windows and decorative glasses. We pride ourselves on delivering innovative, high-quality solutions for both residential and commercial projects. This is the main door that we have customized for this residency. It is made up of onyx finish with glass fascia. The partition between foyer and the living room is overall crafted with stainless steel, glass and aluminium. The Indian traditional puja room door is made with onyx glass, metalworks and teakwood. This luxurious stainless steel partition is made up with Satuaria glass fascia. This is the slim sliding door with seamless and effortless movements. It comes with noise cancellation and heat insulation, with backmesh and double glazed glass. The sliding doors come with energy efficiency, safety, security and longevity. The sliding door system comes with seamless and effortless movements with heat resistance and noise cancellation. By opting the double glazed glass sliding doors, we can save on energy bills. This is casement window with double glazed glass, which comes with heat resistance and noise cancellation. This casement window has tilt and turn movement options. We use stainless steel backmesh, which acts like security and safety.